hikers, welcome back to African Hiker. I'm Anita and I make videos about various hiking trails in Africa and on how to clean your hiking gear. I'm going to show you how to wash your sleeping bag. This is part 3 of a 5-part video series on gear cleaning. After 5 years and a 3-week camping trip across Namibia, it's time to wash my sleeping bag. For my bag, the manufacturer states that it is better not to wash it. A sleeping bag should only be washed when absolutely necessary. I think it's time. I know you're probably thinking this is very gross, but that is why I always use a sleeping bag liner. I have 2 actually, one for summer and one for added warmth in the winter. Okay, let's get started. You'll need 1 dirty sleeping bag, you need a detergent specially formulated for gear. I'm using the one that I used for my down jacket. This is a down wash. My sleeping bag is not a down sleeping bag though. However, you can use the 2. You can use down wash for a synthetic sleeping bag. That's the word I'm looking for. My sleeping bag is synthetic. One day I'll get down, one day. And a washing machine. We're gonna use this one here. Say hello, hi machine. Okay. Thankfully it is machine washable. I'm actually going to turn it inside out. Put that in. And then also throwing in some masks because I always need clean ones and I can never find. And then, oh gosh. Don't ask, I don't know. If you want to be extra careful, then maybe do a rinse in your machine. Wash that out. Okay, there we go. So we're going to put in 4 capfuls. That's what it says on the bottle. So we're taking it all the way to a delicate wash. And cold. This, it's on the lowest, 600. And then we're not going to extra rinse, we're just going to go like this. And I guess I see you in 43 minutes time. I think the machine might be too small for a sleeping bag. All done. Put my mask in here. Okay, then we just hang it on the washing line and let it drip dry for however long it's going to take. I hope you are enjoying this gear cleaning series. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.